Every day, millions of traders sit in front of their screens, hoping today will finally be different. But for many, the charts only bring stress, losses, and endless frustration. While they struggle in the markets, millions of people spend decades rushing to work every morning, trading their time for a paycheck, hoping one day they can finally retire. Imagine reaching retirement with complete peace of mind. No financial worries, no alarm clocks, just the freedom to enjoy every moment with the people you love. The journey begins with education. Successful traders don't rely on luck. They invest their time learning how the market truly works before risking real money. Before chasing profits, they practice. Every trade builds experience, confidence, and discipline without risking a single dollar. Every trader experiences losses. The difference is that beginners panic, while professionals learn from every mistake and keep improving. The secret isn't winning every trade, it's protecting your capital with proper risk management so one bad trade never destroys your account. With patience, discipline, and a proven strategy, small, consistent gains begin to replace emotional decisions. Success becomes a process, not luck. Over time, consistency creates freedom. Instead of working for money, your skills begin working for you, giving you more time to enjoy life. True success isn't measured by how much you earn. It's measured by how many lives you can inspire and help achieve their own financial goals. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It comes from learning, practicing, staying disciplined, and never giving up. Start your journey today. Learn the markets, master your emotions, protect your capital, and build the future you've always dreamed of. Your future self will thank you.
If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay notified for future trading videos.